Restore!
Village Council!
Save, save!
Relate!
Save, save!
Relate!
We want!
Acting Headman!
We want!
Acting Headman!
Restore!
Village Council!
Restore!
Village Council!
Restore!
Village Council!
Save, save!
Relate!
Save, save!
Relate!
We
26 January 2026. The Kalang Kulens mass public protested at 26 January 2026. Motor Pung 7 AM Li Kwika Leka Awungana non-cooperation Kasa Wivang Aina Awishim Atsu Simikso Sil Sami Haira Sil Sami Kahai Atishuta Sign Authority We Kamaya Matsang La Shim Hili Kipanaka Kashok Katsang Pasapai Mara Council Chairman Lucas Simic Pipa Convener Association Luingam Rising Samata Yangya Speaker Assembly Affairs Gawang Pir
Ya Rubang Hina on ma Hama milam na kap sabi di sumi bilam
Saya sasi Lek kui kekati tharan li Kalhang hina center ni te kalhang li Jikasa Hon kacal khalai sai ko Rang jam kui khung laga Tingri aina kacaram li hadung kang sakti Ri radu wiso khamia singkum atam chili laki Awo ayu thot li Nali ham kasanga Nawi like shi chili Shur kataya Khu ram akha Sa sauda Ram hili kamat malay kang sakti Ri radu Ka Atam uyalong li Di kamo akang Mapaling ba karol uyalong li Mam tukwi ka thay ki tharan li Kari rali malay kahay ka chung leo da Ram hi shishu
Lucas Simic Chairman Village Council Ramai kapta Tumikasa Kawab Rally Ningashila Masotla Mitali Atam Hikta Kura Committee Wibang Itumwe probably that the hangi Kamashung Katana Jina Ramli Katanji Taranle Chingri Kahai Coloring Pakurai Ka Makamashung Katana Katanji Taranle Public Prajahi Ringaye the Proverb chapter 29 verse 2 li that the Kapiai Achaitum Ringata Clinic Pivangla Jilka Mashun Jili Mashun Samitu Kangui Jili Mushungi Chimiao Wakam Shungjili Mushungi the Sami Kajivang Achaitum that the Sane Juvanga too Hayashi Kapaya Village Viva Pinsai Kore Gala Shina along with President Youth President Gala Hira Santa Klesai Korali He Natumdi He Hangane Kachipa way to me Mashun Justice will prevail Mashun Hiva Itum the Mang Lao Salar Ting Lung Lang Vokare Juvanga to Itum Kamashunji Itum Mushunji to take away at Yarwi that the mass protest he Kasatne mass protest that the Kasachitaranle Itum Mahatma Gandhi China non-violence เอาไว้สักไม่ทุยก็จะเล่นจีบ non violence ปังแล้วมันก็ไปมาแล้วขังมือขังชอมเราไปมาแล้วเคยทุ่มไปชุนันเนี่ยถ้าคุยปรุงเราได้ชื่อที่ก็สาเขาที่ป้านักก็อาจจะที่ป้านักก็จะ violence สาระก็จะที่ป้านักก็พริ้งชาเลยอีทุ่มคำมาชุนันถ้าคุยเลยมาชุนันอีทุ่มมันเสียคุยเลยแล้วก็อีทุ่มประชาพิงเลยก็เลยรำเราใส่ก้อเลยเงจำเตอมันน่ะจริงนี่ใครราชกไปซาเซ่ก็จะอยากรู้ใส่ก้อเลยฮีทางงานเลยแต่ตุ้มใส่ก้อเลยน่ะรัฐสังคมมีจุบังยิ่งชี้ชัยเลย
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
Respo!
Village council.
Respo!
Village council.
Respo!
Village council.
Safe, safe!
Freedom.
Safe, safe!
Freedom.
Safe, safe!
Freedom.
We won!
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
Respo!
Village council.
Respo!
Village council.
Respo!
Village council.
Safe, safe!
Freedom.
Safe, safe!
Freedom.
Safe, safe!
Freedom. Village council. Freedom. Freedom. Freedom.
We won!
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
Let's go!
Village council.
Let's go!
Village council.
Let's go!
Village council.
We won!
Acting headman.
We won!
Acting headman.
Say!
Freedom.
Say!
Freedom.
Say!
Freedom.
Acting headman!
Acting headman.
Let's go!
We make up the itumli kesema kesa akwa Februari yala musot la ningshi la mitale. Ya shi paila kaya shi kalang kulian with German secretary lang meta pipa ping. Lang meta youth Christian kasi naulong with Christian. Ko nau ping, ram nau ping, kala iwe aktong ra ping. Aja ji mi sho kyu bang itum na mass protest sara kaji hi kyo mai ka ni tumli ina speaker ina highlight sadle twi ka hai chingkum 2025 August 16 half yearly assembly li khop ka sa ta yang ka sa ta phap ka tawi alung li itum assembly na cham ta mai na kala resolution pass sai la ka aja an dang ta headman unau tem hina mang khama na lak la ana sadak le hi tum hi mam yam ro juwang itum hi mass protest khane yiru sai kurna phap tamilo itum hi khleman khamning le itum mashun justice hi ning jangai ke ji wiwang kitata salage jena achu hirami tak le yiru sai kurna yoga kalang kulian speaker na ina hangdak le hi ni thumna phap ta khami uwang kala phap ta lai na ngana khui khai uwang ni thum thai kru le ching rai no kala naw sa ta chi ning chi le ni la khai
Manipurgi hanba neuro patients ke amatangairaba specialized hospital neuro emergency trauma net multi speciality hospital singjai mathak tongtham likai da handuk chare hospital asna maruina BP stroke brain tumor lami ki kudong thiba spinal disc prolapse spinal tumor amadi migraine chingba layengli hospital asda neuro gi layeng bar changba afaba makhal gi khusu khulai amadi machine marang kai lei masina kokka mari lena ba tongan ton ba makhal gi anaba sing ningthina layengli lamdam masida neurosurgeon yamna tangali maramna chingamadi arapa mafum dagi lakpa anaba sing neurosurgeon unana ba honabada awaba kya mayong dari masida sunatna matam thintana anaba layeng mana maram oraga kudong chiba kya sumayok dari Masih pun maktagi kerana orang masuk kanan apa Dr. Parkinson Singh MCS Neurosurgery AIMS New Delhi na masama ki hospital asida pungkun mari leituna anaba sing layingli hospital asida ataba mamalda laying batana tana OPD general amadi ICU beds operation medicine x-ray amadi lab ka mai na basnasu ataba mamalda phangalli ngasi magdenshin bir amadi kudong saba sing silobi ho hena ku bamrol gidamak hospital asigi telephone number 7005534166 natraga 8974572154 da pau phabirak bujagani
Village Council.
Say. We want.
Acting heaven.
We want.
Acting heaven.
We want.
Acting heaven.
We demand. We want.
Acting heaven. Acting heaven.
Let's go.
Acting heaven.
We want.
Acting heaven.
We want.
Acting heaven.
Let's go.
Village Council.
Let's go.
Ina ning da khlei hi ai I pipa wi convener aksa ta khang ning ne le rak se phaya council le ka na pin kala khar naw pin mu ti ka na pin sinaw long le ka na pin atun sa da khlei hi saran masaran sa ka chui wang ong naw le ka sa ne hi ya u sai ko phata ke le mang mang le ka sam nim ne pipa le yang shat an ka sal nim ne ana mukham shong mukham tula ot sa khai wang pipa ping na khalik sa pai ra khare sa da anaki pot condemn we kind ni mako kala riyan we kal hang khulan we riyan we akwine ti laka na riyan kai khai we wang ade council na khona pipa sha panga khai kala achu I chomoi pipa pingli saranji chi thairanji ma chi thaila ana awi otsa please sa ngai sal ko otter shock ngai shock kala ayali ana mi ping we weakness sa ki sa mi sa chi onau akhu otla chui manga na pipa pingla khe ko lik ma sa pa ndra tani 5 September li pipa ping ko chipla ka khara naw aka sa dan na convener tham secretary okay long inilik pangsang chui manga na pipa ping na jalwi na nin tang da khale assembly li ta khai chi anam sa long la khai dang da pipa ping ki pa na ka khong mo auli mi ko pa mi ro asa yang ron pipa ping hi apang aphai nei aphai apang ma ka la a cha chang lo sa yang ron I thum shap sara pipa ping lak shap sara we wang slender sa vai le ta custom ka kaya ayin ka kaya mo kham shong mi ti li I thum na kham sang pai la I thum sara chui wang na a chui ya lu sai ko ro ka ti pi la ka I thum we ong nau hi shin mi khwai ali ra ta a chu ong ngai na pipa khang re kho khui wang na pipa pi ngai no awong khang mo atam li kong si rak tak pai ta kong si li sak si le kong si na di mo la so la sa ko pipa li sa re dal pipa na sa re dal I thum li sa re dal pipa li ma sa lang le ka sa ta ali kon tek sa pai ta chen na I thum na kong si la ma shi pai mi ra ko la ana ong nau acting ma chu ora la hang ana tang ta I thum na mo ka pai ti ra ra ko la ana chili ma ham sam da le ko sakham ya chi pipa ping la ma chuk suk la ga sak ba atam ra ti tin chai na a chu sa ki shipping hili na tum sai corporation la ka ta sak mi wang tum sai ko ra di ni shi la
Let's go.
Village Council.
Say.
Vision.
Say.
Vision.
Say.
Vision.
We
short speech ka shu tui ka satsang khme khni li ni share tui ru changla kai tui itum ni tong khali pre now san khar now ka tong ama tai la itum li mi zai re itum tong ga yo mai kha tha da phapta kwisam bangai re da sisang e chua chu re itum mga song le tak leot mga la bak bai sa se nang soda aro declaration of charter of Timan hi ngolngam chimik na a ji sei mi no
Ya sikmaya Chairman Ramu Pipa Ping kalau Ramno Ping Cycle tiada angai listele tada tin parang ka achu hina kal hang wi bang history ki thar biar ko pangle jika Ramna nakana masa lakrang ji hi achu kal hang sa ji theter ko he ka kra jika he democratic process hi achu na khre chan yang ko hin khre ko itu mo phekar hi ka kra chingri ana itu mo protest ka sa hi ka kra ji government la ma ya hi constitutional rights ne le mi okhin la hi le democratic right to protest right to protest ana hi chijin da khai hi mushkula ka ni thumli fundamental rights mi da khai hi tum chijin da khai ko ana hi le na le silence sak phai le lak ne le i thum mo ri phai fu shok da khai ko hi ana aru hi ka hakla ji ka aru hi tang che ka wai thum na ong le san khik bai ira mai na iram face to face talk khik wai tang che ka thum charter khuna cham ga ya i thum cham le ka phanga ya le ko charter phanga bing ji English na pi tle ko na abu boy na kata ya na la mi maman re pa hi to na phapta rum se pa hi charter of demands by Kalhang Kulen village isum khuk to na 2601 2026 number 1 replacement of village headman with acting headman as per half yearly assembly resolution on 16 August, resolution number C, number 6. Yearly assembly will lead to the Haine. Yeah, and court, court, any trial register Masalak order Shogani. The Wangana Ali, Hetman Sabai, Mrachingum, Bang Salo, acting headman Jihora Milo, Huna, hit at the Haine. Yana Arjun and the Hensang of Tawang. Attend on the Shokos notice like Shokos Shokos notice with the Ali Aru Shokos notice compliance like that South Ali last Saturday to me in a marine park. Milo day to me demands other clinic. Number 2 revocation of village council as per Rian Jikan and upholding directive of order of the Ato Kilonser on 29th April 2008. Asang tiara issue but the kagana iramna awngoli half yearly assembly election quick jana hakle juga without any trial musalak na village council tisop saulo to ungda khini ana hang phaba la bili ada order authority sing ni hang phaba ka iram wi rian sian jikan kashmir ni khai sa kai ni ja ka hakle juga village council is of solid later clinic and him sa pai lak brother Kalhang Kulen resolution kwer ko yana ka hakle ka ram rian hi ka hakle ka awa khar tang la ka sem gai rian awa khar tang la ka ya la ka thu ngong la khun da timang sa la ka 2008 hile rian chen jikan hi le ko iram rian hi le hi save sa sai ji ne timning kam ya khan na kilal ka thu rian isman pai son da clinic and rian mi siman ko bai thu hi revoke sa phung da la rian hi le phung ra ji ne yan jikan le phung ra ji ne. Number 3 reformation of judiciary jiga ara ithumna the ajai kwangla jiga judiciary ana singpha ba ji ba ne jana ara ka tha kla jiga judiciary reform kira phung ra ji ne kwangla ji timak sa thran awng na awi authorities ba pa la order shok ba la ka tong li sa da khleni ajai hen ka ha hi wangen rot na ta khlai kho jana judiciary reform kira phung ra kho jimni ka ain trial masala court register masala la court register masa trial masa hearing masala order shok da khleni jwanga na judiciary reform hi kura phung ra kho ji ithum demand kho. Number 4 submission of village flag to be seen. Village Council asked on demand by the Assembly on this day. Then Ari committee Ari village flag ba here. Our Bangli hide the play call, Jenna, Yari Bangli have some below the Ism component here. Already. Bangla it's Kalhang here, Yana Jing, a Jingly Cleo, this out to the Yan Ban, Kuram Ban, out to the Yan here, flag here, Yari Bangli high from Disney. Yana Yari Bangli Milo, demand call. Number 5, unfreeze of village bank accounts with immediate effect. A Johnson Kalhang we village account, but only Yari Kamyamazon Club, Assembly Mokum law, and now Yari Kamyamazon Club, and Hakan Isagan. Kalhang Kulen village we bank account, the tongue up.
Resto! 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 We want! We want! We want! Safe, safe! Safe, safe! Safe, safe!
Ai,